I'm Ethan, and these are my birds. This is Hedwig, the white bird. She's allowed to get on people's, she likes to get on. And this is Will. He isn't in the mood to be petted, but he can be petted. He isn't the one that really, oh, there he goes. He isn't the one that really likes to get on people. So, and then that's their shred toy. These are her beds they sleep in. Over here is a perch, and that's my cat. And over here's a perch. And then over there is their coconut. And then there's an up place over there where they keep our other food bowls. So yeah. So next video, and I'll see you next time.